Hey traders, John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com. Now in this video, it's going to be a quick short video, and I'm going to be talking about the importance of drawing trend lines, and the way that the market respects it is actually quite good. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you about drawing trend lines, but also I'm going to be teaching you about how the market does respect these trend lines when drawing them. I'm going to be looking at what's happening right now in the overall market on the S&P 500. Okay, so let's move into it, and let me actually get straight into it. But before I do, you must understand that what I'm about to say here is just general advice only. Of course, I don't know your personal situation, because there's going to be thousands of people watching this video. So make sure that you take this technique, take this and put it to what you already know, and hopefully this is going to increase your chances of picking much better trades moving forward. Okay? Obviously the market is risky, so just make sure that you understand the risk toward trading before taking any positions on the education you're about to learn. Okay, so firstly I wanted to look at the S&P 500. Now on the S&P 500 we can see that we've had this trend line from here. Okay, you can see if I let me just delete this background here, this watermark. Let's make this really faint. Okay, so you know what, let's just actually minimize it altogether. Alright, fantastic. So what we see here is this. We see the market breaking down, and then breaking back up, and then breaking down, breaking back up. See how it's bouncing off this trend line here? Continuing to bounce off. So you can see what we call this validation. Validation simply means that the market has been bouncing off this trend line for quite some time. Okay, so it's been bouncing off this trend line for quite some time. So therefore, what do we have? We have a valid trend line coming through here. So in the market, when we actually have support levels and support levels in the market and support levels and support levels in the market, then if that support level is broken, then it's likely to become resistance. Okay, and you can see exactly that's what's happened here. If I draw this trend line up through here, you can see that the overall support levels through here, support. And so what's happened is the market broke back down. You can see it ran back up, hit this level of resistance straight away. So you can see this level of support. It's support in the market, support in the market, support in the market. Broke straight through, came back up, and as of recent, as of last night, the market hit this resistance level and then broke straight back down and now hit this level here. It's rejecting this overall level. So the importance of drawing trend lines is quite valid in the art of technical analysis, because the way that we read the charts is that if we just identify some points where the market's respecting it, we can start to identify what's actually happening here. And what we're seeing right now is a shift in the overall market. And now this shift in the overall market is here, that I do see this market coming down towards these levels down here, at least down there. To around about, what's that, 14, probably at 1470 level. Now drawing trend lines, once I said, is quite valid. Let me just draw one more trend line for you, and then we're going to wrap this video up. Okay, so what we can see is if I draw from the bottom through to here and the bottom through to there, you can actually see that we have one bounce through here, another bounce through here, and then the market runs up through there, and then it's starting to pull off. So you can see, if you actually look at this here, we actually have this support line through here and this support line going through here. Okay, there's a big support and resistance line going through there as well. And so you can see that this market looks like it's heading down toward the double support level. So to me, it just makes sense that this market is likely to have some more down days getting into this overall level of support. So for the short term, I see at least another couple of down days towards this support level coming through. So that's it for me, guys. This is John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com. Come down and check us out. Check us out on our Facebook, which is facebook.com/sharetradingmastery, and our Twitter, which is twitter.com/John Trader. That's it for me, guys. I'm out of here. No matter what happens, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, evening, and that is, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.